Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this brow hack makeup video tutorial, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to do a makeup hack, a brow hack. You know, if you've been around for a while, you know that I like to do my brows in layers. And I've tried brow products at a drugstore. I've even tried Browsense from Synergens. That is a cream to powder eyeshadow. Synergens also has a new brow cream. I have not tried it. And Browsense, I have not tried that either. So today I'm going to be doing a brow hack using an old brow drugstore with a shadow sense. So I forgot to bring out the shadow sense that I was going to use, so hold that thought. Okay, I found it. I'm using the mini holiday hot chocolate shadow sense. It is sold out, but you could use rustic brown or garnet for your brows. That's shadow sense if you're wanting to use shadow sense. So over the years, I have tried all sorts of products, sorts of hacks, and if you've been around for a while, you know that I like to do my brows in layers. So the other day I tried this off camera and I was blown away. Now you could totally use a brow brush that has a spoolie at the end if you wanted. I just can't find it. So this one is a really, really old. There's like no product in it, left nothing. I've had it since I started makeup like 4 or 5 years ago, before I did Synergens. So I am taking a spoolie and I am going to take this shadow sense, and there's a lot of product because I barely even use this one. So I'm going to take this spoolie part and just kind of go up and down all over the wand here. And then I'm going to apply it just like that. Do you see how well that works? Amazing. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. It just like brought my face even more like alive, awake, even though I got a ton of sleep last night. So I found that this way, and you can actually, that's another thing, is if you don't want to scrape it on the wand, you could actually, there's a lot of product in here, you could actually stick the spoolie in. Oh, fits on there. And see, I got so much product. So I could even make them darker than they are. Like, do you see that? I love doing this. Now, with shadow sense, you have 60 to 90 seconds before you go in and apply it. Why do I keep sticking it back there? Ooh, it's Monday. So for this part, I'm going to use a more brush here. I kind of messed it up, but oh yeah, I totally messed it up. So, do you hear that? That is the wind. It is blowing so hard. We have a northeaster wind today, and it's like freezing outside, and we might lose power. Like, come on, it's the end of February. Like, who does that? So, yes, I did mess them up a little bit. Once this dries, so it takes about 60 to 90 seconds to dry, I will go back in and apply it. Now, I still have a lot of product on the thing, on this spoolie, so I'm just going to put it back in there and keep using it until I need to have more. So, it didn't turn out as well as I wanted, so you could go in with concealer or your foundation brush and fix it. So hold that thought. Sorry, I keep coming back. Okay, so I couldn't find the eyebrow brush. I'm gonna have to look for it. But I just took like my concealer brush. I seriously need to like do my brushes, clean them, and I just went over just like this, and it looks better than it did. So I don't know, I really like this brow hack that I came up with. Yeah, it's a little bit darker. Sorry, my hair's falling out. My ponytail, it's short because I cut it short. So it's a little bit too dark for my liking, but I'm using the foundation brush that I used for foundation, and you could totally fix them. Now, if I had the, oh, there's a spoolie on this one. This one's really old. It just can have product in it. So this is a spoolie, and I'm just kind of going out like this. And please don't make fun of this video. Like, yes, I did mess up. I'm not perfect, but I like it quite a bit. So I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out, and I think it is amazing. Yes, it was a work in progress, but if you have tried this or you're wanting to try, please comment down below and tell me. Yeah, I really like this, and I'm glad that I showed you guys on camera. Like, I have always wanted my brows like this, and now I know how to do them. So, and I'm so glad that I brought it to you guys. So please like this video, and please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Sorry, I almost messed up there. Thanks for watching.